Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This video is all about Meghalaya brutal reality. Especially the incident happened. देखो इस वीडियो में I'll try to speak more in English because it might possible the people who are watching this video is from Meghalaya and they don't know Hindi or they don't understand Hindi. That's the reason I'm going to speak in English. I'll try my best. I'll try my best to not to fumble in this language. So, the reality behind Meghalaya, especially a brutal reality, is I have seen a lot of things. Like my friends have been gone there and they have seen a lot of stuff that I don't think it's not that good. I know ki local people are very good to everyone, but I'm talking about the thing happened to the couple recently. The couple who was got newly married and वो गए थे, like they have been gone to it was kind of a tour to Meghalaya, and you know what happened to them? They're lost. Husband is not alive and the wife is still missing. So I think there is a very big reason behind that. The Meghalaya people are very good. I know, I get it. Local people are very good, but the thing is that there are a lot of people, not that good. If you're like traveling alone in Meghalaya, you have to take up precautions. You have to go with at least 4 to 5 people. If you're traveling with your solo, if you're traveling solo, or if you're with only one, if it could be your female, it could be your friend, and you guys are like only two. If you're like basically in a two group, that would be much dangerous. But the reason I was saying about this is if you travel in basically in a crowd, there's a less chance that anyone could attack on you. Why I'm saying this? Because in Meghalaya, the couple who have been gone missed, there are a lot of high chances they got actually got they might got kidnapped in that place. Why I'm saying this? I know Meghalaya is a very good place, but if we see in a safety reasons, I don't think that place is very safe. Especially if you're in a mountain place is very. Just try to understand what I'm trying to say here. If we actually see a place which is like around 5 to 10 kilometers, and मतलब वो land है, it is like a land. This amount of space is very less. But if you're in mountains, if you're in a forest, that amount of space gets more bigger. Because तुम्हें बहुत up and downs देखने को मिलेंगे. You will see a lot of up and downs. You will see a lot of how would I say, mountains. You could also see a lot of people who are not good. Especially they might kidnap you. Especially I'm not talking about local people. I'm talking about the guys who are like not good. You get it? So if you're traveling in Meghalaya and if you're thinking ki we can go in both, like if you want to go in solo trip, just don't do that. Go with at least 4 to 5 people. That would be much better. Why I'm saying that? Because it's not safe. The whole point of making this video is that Meghalaya is not that safe. Why I'm saying this? Because I got a call. How could I say this? Basically, I treat people who are like suffering with addictions and they're like wasting their time on social media, and if they want to reach their goal, so I opened a one-on-one call. You can link to my description मिल जाएगा. You can even see the link in description. You can directly talk to me. Okay, you can book a call and directly talk to me. Link in the description. So a lot of guys actually booked my one-on-one call, and they are like from Meghalaya, and the guy was saying me some very shady stuff that Meghalaya is literally not that safe. Okay, if you think that, I know local people are very good, but the outsiders, if you see the guys who are like living in a shady area, that is not safe for you. He said me कि भाई वहाँ पर ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं. If you go in Meghalaya, if you gone missing in Meghalaya, there is a very high chances that you're not alive, because they actually take your everything. It's like something like they rob you. Okay, they rob you, literally they rob you. So he said me that he's a Meghalaya person. He lives there, and he said me that. I'm not saying that. So what's the whole point of making this video? I was just trying to explain you this, guy. Explain you this, that Meghalaya is not that much safe, especially now. If you're trying to, if you actually want to travel to Meghalaya, just don't do that. You just don't do that. Right now, it is a higher chances that if you go, if you even want to travel that place, go with at least 4 to 5 people, or even a very big, झुंड में जाओ. At least you should go in a, with couples. If you guys are couples, at least 10 to 12 people will be much safer, because they didn't. If you're like, जैसे क्या होता है, if you're like going with at least 5 to 10 people, there are very high chances that they would not able to attack you. So what's the whole point of saying this all? That's Meghalaya is not that safe right now. If you're thinking to travel that place, you could travel, but travel with at least a lot of people, at least 4 to 5 people. And I think you guys should take care of your everything, everything, your phone, your everything. You might get robbed at that place. I hope you get it. What's the whole point? I know a lot of Meghalaya people would, might hate this video, and they would say a lot of things. If you have any opinion about this, what I said right now, you can share your comments you can share whatever. If you want to say anything, you can say in the comments. I hope you get it. So look, I know Meghalaya is a very beautiful place. You can travel a lot. You can do whatever in your, you will see amazing places. But safety is the one of the biggest priority for you. As a man, I want, if I'm traveling with my, wife, or even with my kids, I need to be ensured that I am traveling at a safer place. And I don't think Meghalaya as a safe place. So if you are trying, or if you are planning to go Meghalaya, at least go with your family, or at least 5 to 6, or minimum 4 to 5 people. That would be much better right now if you're thinking to go. And if you're facing any addictions or any problem in your life, you feel lonely and you want to talk to someone, you can book my one-on-one call. Link in the description. I will help you. I will listen to you, and I will actually give you a solution. So that's the video. I hope you get it. I hope the people who are watching from Meghalaya would not hate me for this honesty. So that's it. Keep working.